All right, let's do number 3 now. So I see 2 over 3 inside parentheses, all being raised to the negative 2 power. So since that 2 over 3 is in parentheses, both the 2 is being raised to the negative 2 power, and the 3 is being raised to the negative 2 power. Since both numbers, the numerator and denominator, are being raised to the negative 2, we are going to flip. So this becomes 3 squared over 2 squared. So I flipped the numerator and the denominator, and then I made the exponent positive. Now all I need to do is simplify. So 3 squared, 3 times 3, that gives me 9. And 2 squared, 2 times 2, that gives me 4. And there's not really any more simplifying I can do. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as a improper fraction. And that is my answer. Now it's time for you guys to try it.